When you lose everything, you realize who you truly are. The pandemic took away everything we had taken for granted. It forced each one of us to face our personal demons. But we were all united in our struggle. This was our fight. And slowly, it was making all of us stronger. And right when I felt the most isolated, the most withdrawn, I realized I was not alone. I'm walking through Hampstead Heath, minding my own business, and I bumped into these lovely ladies. Hi, how are you? Why'd you stop me?
You cover a lot of issues that people are wanting to, question. People are not getting answers from our prime ministers. And it's just, adult conversation, and I think we should be entitled to have that discussion.
There were people everywhere who felt the exact same way I did. Just bumped into him, seriously.
Yeah, man. Brian's not causing any harm, he's not telling anyone to do any wrong. Open your heart, your mind, and actually think for yourself.
This wasn't just me being silenced. It was all of us.
I see you jogging down the canal here, and I think, this gives me a great boost, to know that people like you are brave enough to do what you do.
The real revolution starts within.
Yeah.
So
that's the message. I love that. That's a great message. And now everyone was fighting back. I bump into these people every single day, man. All different types, all different economic backgrounds, races, religions, creeds, countries, nationalities. They're all saying the same thing. Keep broadcasting and give us the truth. And we're gonna keep doing that. A movement was forming right in front of my eyes.
Seriously, you're doing the right thing. Keep going. Seriously. You are touching people, man.
They called themselves the London Real Army. They got together to fight for their rights. I never imagined this in my wildest dreams. Soon, my inboxes were flooded with support. We saw fan art, street actions, and more.
You can call this fella over in Seattle part of the London Real Army.
Brian, keep going, brother.
London Real Army, we gotta make sure, right? This was totally out of my control. They even created their own rap song.
He's boss of the London Real Army. Brian Rose and David spreading love with the heartbeat. I tell you right now, you got support from me and a million other people that believe in world peace. He's coming out with the real education. Come on now, this is only information. It's just two people having a conversation. All it takes is a little concentration to the destination where the system's taking. Isolation's got the people breaking. Observation all across the nation. Now we gotta deal with 5G radiation.
Yes, YouTube could take away my platform, but they will never take away this. This is pure human connection, and it will always belong to us.
Just open our eyes and see what is actually going on. The truth does always come out.
It's very important, to speak from, out of your mind.
The truth is what really, brings order from the chaos.
Mainstream media is completely dead.
Because you're allowing people to speak freely.
I'm learning. Life is happening for me, not to me, right? If it was happening to me, I'm a victim. Look at all this stuff. No, it's happening for me. This is amazing what's happening this week. It's building me into a stronger person, a better communicator. It's uniting all of us around one message. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Facebook. Thank you, LinkedIn. Thank you, OffCon. Thank you. And that's what this is all about. Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long. And the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you. Dubai real estate is exploding, and the biggest money is being made where almost nobody is looking, in premium luxury transformation projects that have historically delivered 40 to 90% annual returns. That is incredible. For years, these opportunities were locked inside private networks. You never saw them. You never had access until now. I've spent 15 years on Wall Street and 5 years studying Dubai up close. And today, for the first time ever, you can invest directly alongside my team. We have just received a brand new project with real potential for outsized returns. And early allocations always fill fast. Click the link and apply now. Your opportunity starts today.